It is my pleasure to invite you to participate in the 4th ESCMID Professional Affairs Workshop. For the first time, this workshop will take place completely online over 4 days, from the 23rd until the 26th of November 2020. The workshop is distributed across these 4 days so as to enable participants to continue their regular work as well. The theme of the workshop is Being an Infectious Disease or a Clinical Microbiology Specialist, Challenges and Opportunities. It will be of particular interest to trainees and early career specialists in the fields of clinical microbiology, infectious diseases, and other related specialties. An expert faculty of specialists will discuss their own journeys on their specialization, as well as the role of clinical microbiology and infectious diseases in the time of COVID-19 and beyond, and the utilization of modern technologies in routine clinical care. As well as ESCMID, representatives of WHO, CDC, OMS and EMA will form part of the faculty and provide perspectives from their organization on the current climate of clinical microbiology and infectious disease and the outlook into the future. The workshop will incorporate many different presentation formats with interactive quizzes and small group discussions alongside more traditional plenary sessions. Clinical case studies will also be available to early registrants. Being fully online, the workshop is accessible to participants across the globe, regardless of their location. Early bird registration for ESCMID members is only €80 or €110 for non-members. Registration is open on the ESCMID website. I look forward to joining you online in November.